Hi guys, I'm back in my kitchen. This is regular menu, my channel, and I'm preparing chicken stir fry with broccoli. So this is the chicken. I cut them up in small piece. I already seasoned up it, wash it and season up it. So I show you how I have them in small piece. I have to just cut them up in small piece, and I throw my maggie all-purpose in it, and the maggie chicken season in it, and I already stir it up to go and marinate for a little while. So I have my sweet pepper, onion, garlic, and I have a piece of ginger grater in it when we're ready, guys. And then I have my tomato. So I'm gonna wash one of it and put it with the rest of the ingredients. So I'm gonna cut up my tomato right here, dice them up, and put it with the rest of things that I cut up, vegetable. I have my scotch bonnet pepper here. You don't have to put it in there if you don't want. It depends on the person that's gonna eat it. Some people like pepper, some people don't. So I'm gonna cut up a little in there. Not too much though, that is supposed to over hot. Okay, so as I said, I have my vegetable here and my broccoli over here. So I'm gonna light the stove. Put on my frying pot. Alright, turn on the stove and let it hot for a while. And when I'm ready to throw in the chicken in the pot, I will come back to you guys and show you how to do it. Guys, I am back, so I'm gonna have the pot on the stove. It's already hot, so I'm gonna pour the oil inside. You don't have to put enough in it, but just put a little that you can be able to start fry your chicken. So I have the chicken here. I'm gonna put it in the pot. Let them go and brown. And then gonna wait, guys, for it to brown and a little, and then stir it. So I'm gonna back with you when I'm stirring it and show you how it look when it's fried. Right, guys, I'm back. It's 10 minutes since I put the chicken in the pot to brown, and you notice it have a pretty brown, crispy color. So I'm gonna put in my broccoli, and stir up that. Put the broccoli in the chicken. Stir the broccoli in the chicken. stir it properly so everything mix up together. And I'm gonna get my other type of vegetable, a tomato, onion, sweet pepper, hot pepper, and ginger. I'm gonna pour it in the pot with the broccoli and the chicken. And still stir it, and everything combines together. Alright, after me done that, I'm gonna use half cups of water to get my sauce together. Then I get my soy sauce. And I pull off the top. I'm going to throw it in the broccoli with the chicken and seasoning. You don't have to throw a lot, guys. You just have to throw a little, and if you need more, you pour it in it. So it's need more. And always put a little more season if you like. Even though seasons on the chicken already, but you can still put a little more. As I told you before, the type of season, all-purpose maggie seasoning and chicken maggie seasoning. So put a little more seasoning there. Because the water will spring some, the broccoli will spring some water, guys. I'm not gonna pour no more water in it, but I'm gonna cover up the pot and let it simmer down for a little while. So I'm gonna cover up the pot, guys, and let it go and simmer down. So I have to get back to you guys and show you what it looked like when it almost finished or finished. So hi guys, I'm back with my broccoli chicken stir fry. You can look at it, guys, how it's beautiful in the pot. And it's simmered down now, so I'm about to close off the video by taking off the pot and stuff. So thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you subscribe and hit the notify bell in case any more video coming, guys, and you can be able to watch. So thank you guys for watching.